All right, I thought I'd show you guys this little tip right here. One of the things that you normally have happen on a belt like this one's getting worn. It's a ceramic purple belt. I've got a full video on it, but the purpose of the video is normally what happens is the belt will get sort of worn in the middle because you're coming up against it with small parts and things, grinding it right in the middle, and the edges of it are going to be left, where there's still quite a bit of usable grit on it. And I want to show you this tip that if you ever start using this, and if this thing goes viral like it has the potential to, the companies that make these belts and just sandpaper companies in general, in fact, the people that even make the sand, the Sahara Desert, whoever, it's probably going to go out of business because this will save you so much money and paper. It'll be unreal. So, again, this is just a little part where we're deburring the edges of it. And normally, people come up here and stick this square up against the paper to deburr the edge. Now, this trick is going to be, we're just going to use the corner of it here and slide this across the edge. And it's another way to use all of your sandpaper and your grinding belts and your grinding disc and anything else that you have. So I'm going to demonstrate it here for you now. All right, you see how this one has got a nice little deburr around the corner of it, and you see this one's got the burr hanging off of it and so forth that we haven't done yet. So now this video also is a troll challenge. If you're a troll and you want to leave a comment about how stupid this video is or something like that, I'm holding a contest, and whoever can come up with the most hurtful, mean comment, you're going to win. What you're going to win, I don't know. Maybe some kind of lifetime achievement award, but go ahead and leave your comment. I'd love to look at it. They always make me laugh. So leave your best troll comment if you can. See you guys.